Understanding to fall from grace, a deep dive. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we aim to make English learning easy and fun for you. Today, we're exploring a fascinating phrase, to fall from grace. It's a powerful expression that can add depth to your conversations and writings. So, let's dive in and uncover its meanings, origins, and how to use it in your everyday English. To fall from grace is an idiomatic expression used to describe a situation where an individual, once held in high regard, has lost their reputation, status, or respect among their peers. This phrase often implies a significant decline from a position of favor or prestige to one of disfavor or disgrace. It's important to understand that the fall here is metaphorical, referring to a decrease in someone's standing or esteem in the eyes of others. The origin of to fall from grace can be traced back to religious texts, specifically the Christian Bible, where it originally referred to the loss of God's favor. Over time, the phrase has evolved to have a broader application, used in both secular and non-secular contexts. It embodies the concept of losing an esteemed position due to one's actions or failures. To help you grasp how to use to fall from grace in real-life situations, let's look at some examples. 1. A public figure. The politician fell from grace after the scandal, losing the trust of his constituents and his standing within the party. 2. In personal relationships, after betraying his friend's trust, he fell from grace and was no longer welcomed in their circle. These examples show that the phrase can be applied to various scenarios, from public life to personal relationships, highlighting the versatility of this expression. Incorporating to fall from grace into your English can add nuance and depth to your storytelling or analysis. Use it when discussing topics related to ethics, reputation, or social standing. Remember, it's most effective when describing a significant change in someone's status from positive to negative. Here's a tip. Pair it with words that emphasize the change, such as dramatically, suddenly, or tragically, to enhance the impact of your statement. We hope this exploration of to fall from grace has enriched your understanding of this profound phrase. It's a reminder of how quickly fortunes can change and the importance of maintaining integrity and respect in all aspects of life. Keep practicing, and don't hesitate to use this expression to make your English more expressive and insightful. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next video.